Good day everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a few very simple steps to increase the battery life, and at the end of this tutorial, I'll share one tip and that will always save the battery health for your phone, no matter what phone you're using. So the very first step is to go to the settings and click on the search icon and type in the search nearby. Now this is under connection nearby device scanning. This is really not required. Your phone continuously use the battery to scan and look for nearby devices, which is not required because whenever you want to connect any device, you can always turn on your Bluetooth or wireless and then simply connect your device. So continuous device scanning is not at all required. Now the next thing is the usage diagnostic sense. So we will scroll down and we will look for Google, and then we will go to all services, scroll down more, and here it says privacy and security, personalized user sharing data. You can turn it off, and the usage diagnostic, that should be turned off. And once you're done, come back and look for battery. If you find, well and good. If you are unable to find, you can see I have found the battery settings. You can search, and once you click on battery, you will find battery protection. Now this is a very important part. Once we click on this battery protection, it says to turn off. So I'll toggle this on and I will keep basic. Now what exactly it says, when your battery is 100% charged, it will stop the battery level. It will stop the charging, and it will only charge when drops down to 95%. That means if you have put the charger and you forgot to take it out, it will not continuously charge. So in this manner, your battery life will be longer, and the quality of the battery will be always good as far as your phone is concerned. So this is a very important part. You can try this, turn this basic and battery protection, and this will definitely a big change in your phone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your family, friends and loved ones. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.